Okay guys, so we know that in a normal heart, the pulmonary veins from the lungs, they drain into the left atrium. But in case of total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, what happens is that these pulmonary veins do not drain to the left atrium. These pulmonary veins, they drain into the vertical veins. Okay, vertical veins, VV. And then these vertical veins, they drain into the innominate veins. Okay, and then these innominate veins, they drain into the superior vena cava. So we are having, like, this is the normal circuit, but in this case we are having an abnormal circuit that goes like this. You can say a circuit over a circuit, like above it. So this is why, let's say if this is the normal cardiac shadow, let's just suppose if this is the normal cardiac shadow, normal circuit, you're having another circuit, it will be like this. So you're having a supracardiac shadow. So in TAPVC we always say that there is a snowman sign like this. The snowman sign is because this is the normal heart and then this is the supracardiac shadow. This supracardiac shadow makes the head of the snowman. And why is there the supracardiac shadow? Because of this connection above the normal heart. Okay, so that is why we call it the snowman sign, we call it the figure of 8 sign, we call it the I don't know what, cottage loaf sign, something like that, or the English bread sign, because English bread is also like this, two pieces like this, but it's not classic. Classic is a figure of 8 of the snowman sign. So what happens in this case, as the pulmonary veins, they do not drain into the left atrium, they drain via the vertical veins, then innominate vein, then the superior vena cava into the right atrium. So mixing occurs and all the blood goes into the right atrium, and so we are going to have a right to left shunt. So because of this, in this case what is going to happen is it's a cyanotic heart disease. Okay, and then gradually the pulmonary pressure is going to increase and the pulmonary hypertension is going to result, which is going to cause a lot of problems. So initially when the child is born, this figure of 8 is not very prominent, but gradually as the child ages, this figure of 8 becomes very prominent. So what are we going to do surgically? We're going to take this connection and cut this from here and take these pulmonary veins and connect them to the left atrium. We're going to return it to the actual circuit by surgical correction. So this was the TAPVC, total anomalous pulmonary venous connection.